Game of Thrones star Peter Dinklage may have spit his gum into his wife's mouth before accepting his Emmy Award, and social media is responding. I'm Kristen Goodwin for Buzz60. Dinklage won Best Supporting Actor for his role in the HBO hit, but according to Distractify, when the actor realized he won, he kisses his wife, whispers something to her. When he kisses her again, something seemed off. Did he spit gum into her mouth? After accepting his Emmy, he told the audience he wasn't prepared at all, saying he was chewing gum. But where did the gum go? Into your wife's mouth, maybe? Looks like other people noticed too, some taking to Twitter to post GIFs of the gum transfer. One writing, Peter Dinklage totally ditched his gum in his wife's mouth after winning an Emmy. Another tweets, Peter Dinklage kisses his wife and blows his chewed gum into her mouth. I'd be slapped if I tried that on mine. Seriously. I mean, I get it. He just won an Emmy. It's not like he's spitting gum into his wife's mouth on a daily basis. And for his wife, wow, is that love. And true love never looked so gross. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.